Hello planner friends, my name is Cindy and you're watching Little Star Plans. Welcome back to my channel. We are setting up a brand new week for October 18th. I will show you how I use my Halloween mini kit, which would fit nicely in the Hobonichi A6 or even bullet journal. If you're interested, the link will be listed in the description box. The remaining of October, I will be using all Halloween related designs. You know what I mean, we have to make our spreads looking super cute for Halloween. Question for you guys, do you guys enjoy decorating your planners? What kind of tools do you use? In the video, I am currently placing all my dates cover up to cover up the days, and once that's done, I will write out all the days in the date cover up sticker. Here, I decided to stick with two washi design. I will be using Mimi Bubble Tea and Nuku Planning washi tape. I typically pick out a washi tape and add it at the bottom of the page. Sometimes I would layer washi tape on top of each other, but in this situation now, I wanted to let one washi tape really shine out and decide not to layer my washi tape. Mimi Bubble Tea and Nuku Planning washi tape are still available on my website. I designed these. It's my very first washi tape ever in my collection. I think they're really cute. Feel free to check it out. It'll be in the link description below. Here I am using this orange marker. I am marking all the current days that are circled in the mini calendar. Next, I am going to use our Halloween mini kit. I am using the to-do headers to set up my pages. The little ghost and Nuku beside to-do is so cute and fun. I'm not sure about you, but for me, adding stickers to decorate my spreads really gives happiness and something to look forward to. It motivates me to use the planner compared to a bare bone planner without stickers and decoration. How about you? How does planning make you feel? And do you feel motivated when you use it? In this part, I use my clear ruler. I love the look of sectioning out my daily pages. I split my page into halves. On the left is the timeline, and on the right is my to-dos, priorities, and a bit of journaling. I have been using this style for a while now. It just works for me. Here I went back to grab the remaining to-do headers and stick them in my pages. At one point, I wanted to speed things up and I decided to stick most of the stickers on my hand. Here I am setting up my Monday page. On the right side of the page, I will be drawing out my timeline for the day. I don't fit everything in there, but I focus on the key tasks, events, or even appointment. I added Nuku the ghost sticker at the top and some other stickers like Mimi working on the laptop and Mimi trash bin stickers to represent specific tasks. On the right, I note down my to-do list. I also did a little bit of doodling on this side. And on Monday was Apple keynote. They announced the new MacBook Pro. So I decided to note that down in my planner as a memory keeping. I hope this gives you a glimpse on how I set up and plan my daily pages in Hobonichi A6. In the next video, I'll show you more in depth on how I set up my pages and show you how I journal a bit in my pages as well. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more planning related videos. It will really help grow my channel and I'll see you next one. Bye planner friends!